Flamingos are tropical birds known for their striking pink to orange plumage, which comes from carotenoid pigments in their diet. They have long, slender legs and a very long, curved neck. Flamingos have flat, downward curving bills, which they use to filter food from the water, such as algae, crustaceans, and plankton. Flamingos are often found in coastal areas, salt lakes, and tropical lagoons, and usually live in large groups called colonies. These groups provide them with protection from predators and make it easier for them to forage together. They are also known for their strong social behavior, often performing dances and ritualistic behaviors when interacting within the colony.